So it's the Specialist External Paper, Paper 1, Tech Free from 2023. And we are going to look at question 11. Question 11 is straightforward definite integrals. So we're looking at our first one. We're going to integrate it between 0 and 1, 1 over x squared. What's it going to be between 0 and 1? Now looking at that 1 over x squared, that's going to be using my inverse tan rule where a is 1. So that's just going to be tan inverse x. And then obviously that's going to be tan inverse, oops, sorry, I should be a bit neater. 1, take tan inverse 0. Now, we should all know that the inverse tan of 1 is pi on 4. The inverse tan is 0. If you need a bit of a prompt, remember your tan graph goes like this. It's discontinuous at pi on 2. So the inverse tan of 0 is 0. And the inverse tan of 1 is pi on 4. Good old 45. So the answer is pi on 4. That is a 2-mark question. So getting the correct integral and then getting the correct answer is where we're looking for our 2 marks. Question 2 is 0 to pi on 4 of 2 sine squared x. So we need to remember to use our double angle rules. Cos 2x is 1 take 2 sine squared x. So 2 sine squared x is equal to 1 take cos 2x. I can do a straight in with that. This is what I've got there. So my integral is going to be, my integral from 0 to pi on 4 is 1 take cos 2x dx. So I've applied that substitution in. Now I integrate it. 1 integrates to x. Cos goes to sine 2x over 2 because we divide 0 to pi on 4. Now, if you are unsure of your rules, the double angle rules do come off your rule sheet. Oops, excuse me. So we're using the double angle rule from here, that cos 2x is 1 take sine squared x. And then, sorry, flicking papers is slowing me down, isn't it? Apologies. And that the integral of cos goes to sine. So my cos goes to sine, and then the 2 just divides under because we're integrating. And now it's a definite integral, so now I've got to add in, that's pi on 4, take sine 2 times pi on 4 over 2, take away pi on 4, take sine 2 times 0 over 2. Now if you need the prompt of your sine curve, here's my sine curve. Because this is going to be pi on 4, take the sine of pi on 2. 2 pi pi, here's pi on 2, it's going to equal 1. So a half, that's my first. Take away pi on 4, take sine of 0 is 0. Oh, I made a mistake, didn't I? Boo-booed up. I apologise. When I substitute my 0 in for x, this should have been 0, shouldn't it? These mistakes are made so easily. That's why we need to be really careful and watch what we're doing when we substitute. I do apologise for that one. So we put that in there. And so our answer is pi on 4, take a half is our final answer. You got a mark for doing that substitution for the 2 sine squared is 1 take cos 2x. You would have got a mark for integrating this correctly, so to the x and the sine 2x on 2, and then a mark for calculating the correct answer.